Hey everyone, it's me, Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds here. And as you know, I got a new photo album or scrapbook. And I am planning on utilizing it. So I like this because this one has the picture in the middle where I can put, a photo in there. So I'm going to pick one that fits sideways and that looks good in there. None of those. Don't want to do that. Probably these guys. One of these guys would probably work. He goes there. A drumstick. Flower. All right, let's go with this guy because he looks good either way. Okay, so they got to fit in this window. So I'm trying to, okay, so this is the picture. I need to make it fit. And there you go. So let's see. I might want to do one of these. No. Oh, here we go. Clyde. Let me see. The hot dog. Nope. I think we're going to go with this one. But I need, guys, I really think I need another picture to kind of go with the black and white. I thought I had other choices, but I do not. So we're going to go with this one. Okay, and I'm going to trim it here. These are Make Market minis. Whoops. Gotta get the lines off. This is not working out. All right. Now. Okay. This is the first time I've cut a canvas, by the way. Okay. All right, let me see. This is a really tight fit in here. Okay, it's too tight of a fit, so I'm going to trim just a little bit off the side. Just a little bit. And I'm not too worried about it because it's going to be protected. Oh, that's much better. Okay. It still needs a little bit of There we go. Ta-da! Okay, that tells me there's diamond art in there. So I am going to put my animals in here in no particular order. Whale. Let's see. I could put them like that. That would go better. That would look nicer too. So that would go all the way down. This one would go all the way over here. And then we could put my bird. My intention here is when I go to sell them, I'm going to have people look through the photo album, find a picture, and match with a frame for a price. So they would pick out their picture to go in one of the frames that I have for them to pick out. So that's what I'm thinking. So I'm just going to put a piece of tape to hold it in place. I'm not going to cut them, but I'm going to just put a piece of tape, small piece of tape, to hold it in place. And then we will do the mandolins. I have a feeling this book might get full kind of quickly. If anyone has any suggestions, I'm all ears. All ears. Okay, now these I can probably put okay. Yep. I can put these 2 and 2 because I can. But I'm going to try this a different way. Okay, this is going to be, we're going to try this side. On the bottom, and then we're going to try this one on the top. Well, it's close. So I'm going to wait for your suggestions too, and I can still move them. But there's that. And then these guys, I think will fit better. And I want to put my food. I want to kind of keep them in themes. Food and dragons. Okay, we're going to put the food. See, and I sold these 2 for $7, without a frame, and I did sell a few. But with the frame, they're not going to be that cheap. So this is a hot dog. So we're going to put the hot dog there. And then we're going to put this yummy drumstick. I'm going to put him right next. Yeah, these are going to fit nice in here. The Diamond Art Club ones will fit nice. Okay. And then the pizza, the yummy pizza, it actually goes like that. And then we're going to put this cocktail right here. Why not? Now we're going to put, this is summer themes, flip-flops. Now I don't know where, I have other summer theme ones somewhere. Somewhere I have summer themed ones, but I don't know where. Okay. Oh, well, so much for my summer themed ones. We will just go with these here. Okay. So here's my flip-flops. Flippy flops. And these I think are my favorites. I'm not in the dragons, but these are my favorite. So I'm going to put my Clyde right here. He is my Clyde. And then we will put Lark. Lark, Lark will go right here. Lark will go here. And then we will put these guys. I like Spike, but my favorite is Pip. Pip. I like my Pip. He's super cute. So if you have not done Diamond Art Club's mini dazzlers, which is what these are technically called, that is their name. This is the dragon kit. Come on, tape. Come off. Okay. And this is Pip. I like Pip. Where is my R0de? See, I have some dragons. Actually, I think I sold R0de. There's a YouTuber out there who has a daughter named R0de. So if you haven't watched Artemis Dreams, you need to go watch Artemis Dreams. She's really good. She lives in Sweden or Switzerland. And I think it's Sweden. So here is my diamond art album with the minis in it. So what do you think? I think I need to do something about this front one. So they're nice. I like them. So that's what I'm going to do with these. And then let me show you some that I already have in frames, and I've sold some already. This one, this one, this one. And what about these guys? Are these empty? They are empty. Okay, let's see. I got 3 here. Okay, these is all that's left. So here is my dog. Here is my chicken leg. He's kind of moving around in there. I gotta touch him up a little bit. And here's my R0de. I really like the way he looks in this frame. I love it. So I had about 10 of these on my table, and I sold most of them that were in the frames. This guy, I almost had a buyer for. He was supposed to go get cash and come back, but he never came back. So I'm thinking the next time I'm out there, I'll probably be able to sell him. But I like him. Came out so good. So this is what I do with my minis. Again, I am open to suggestions. Please feel free to give me suggestions and let me know what you think of my mini photo album. Well, it's not really mini, but it stores minis. And the other one's going to have bigger projects in it, like this one has my bunny. So it looks like I may have to trim some up, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, that's what I have for you today, and I will see you next time. So be kind to everyone.